Hi there, Poppin' PJ here, and I want to share with you a super fun, easy, budget-friendly DIY home decor.
So I'm a big thrifter. I got this picture at the thrift store very inexpensively, but I thought it was super fun, super cool, and my imagination is always going wild with creating things. And so I decided I want to make this piece or transform this piece into a table. And all I had to do was take the picture, put some boards on the back side of it as a base so that I could adhere some hairpin metal legs, and voila, you have a table. This is the back side here. So easy. Love easy.
So if you like creative, unique, one-of-a-kind, and easy DIY, and it doesn't break the bank, then you should check out my channel. Poppin' PJ has something for you because I have DIY and so much more. I'd appreciate it. I hope you like this idea and maybe you should try it. Poppin' PJ has something for you.